What's going on, guys? Welcome to Amplified Car Audio. Just want to bring a quick little video, show you what I'm up to and what's to come. If this is your first time here and you love car audio, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification so you don't miss anything, because we got lots to come. So real quick, I just want to go over what I have here. Over here we've got some Skar 6.5 inch, the SK65s. Back here we got some cheapy Q Power 6x9s. These two are going to go in my wife's car. She's got an Altima and it has a 2 ohm system in it, so I am replacing the head unit so she can play off of her phone. And I tried it already and it got really hot with the 2 ohm speakers that are in the car, so I have to switch those over before I can put the radio back in. Over here we've got this stuff. The rest of the stuff's going to go in my truck, in the Jeep. Got the Orion Cobalt, the CB 3000.4 4-channel amp, and that's going to be powering a bunch of Skar Audio 8s or the Skar Audio super tweeters that I got here. I'm going to redo my doors in the Jeep. I'm going to do 2 of these and 2 of these per door. Still got to get 4 more of the 8-inch mid-bass drivers for the doors. And I've also got one of these right here, the C-Flow inline blowers. I'm going to get 1 more of these, maybe 2 more, I'm not sure yet. I'm just piling up all my stuff here. And then I made this right here to switch the power and everything on all of my amplifiers, this guy over here, and all of my lights and whatnot. Got fused relays in here. Everything is fused. That's going to work out real nice. So I'm going to be doing unboxing videos of all of this stuff to come, so stay tuned for those. And definitely stay tuned for all of the videos of putting all this stuff into the Jeep. That will be fun, except for those 2 over there. Those will be going in the wife's Altima. I'm also going to be doing 2 12s in there and an amp. Let me know what you think I should get for that. Something fairly cheap. I was thinking about doing the 2 12-inch mofos, but we'll see about that. So stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe, share this, and we'll be back.